Yippee-yi-yay! Welcome to Wonderland. Here, that is. Sure hope everyone's having a great time.
This is gonna be a request show.
Hot dog! I'll request a ride on the lava flume.
Not that kind of request, Hank. Song request.
Like we have on the radio?
Right, Bubba. We've done received so many requests.
Now we decided to oblige with this special show.
You're sure heap of nice guys. Oh, you want it.
And our firstest number is to Big Mama from Tadpole. Here we go.
Wish that I was on old Rockytop down in the Tennessee hills. Ain't no smoggy smoke on Rockytop, ain't no telephone bill. Once I had a girl on Rockytop, half there, the other half cat. Wild as a mink, but sweet as soda pop, I still dream about that.
Oh, yeah?
Rockytop, you will always be home sweet home to me.
Oh, yeah?
Rockytop, Tennessee. Rockytop, Tennessee. I've had years of Granite City life, trapped like a dog in a pen. All I know is it's a pretty life, can't be simple again. Rockytop, you'll always be home sweet home to me. Rockytop, Tennessee. Rockytop, Tennessee.
Okay.
This has been brought to you by CNC Upstate.